What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the coding vlog. Today, we're gonna do more Python. And I realized after finishing the last video that I left a semicolon here when I did not need one. That's kind of funny, so I'm curious if this will still run the same. Now just hit this. Okay, yeah. So I didn't need that. Okay, so I think what would be really cool, I could go through commands and stuff, and there's lots of things I could learn, but I think a more effective way to learn would be to find something to do, like a project. Let's look up beginner Python projects. Okay, that should be good. Ooh, free code camp. We like them. Okay, Mad Libs, guess the number game, computer, guess the number game, user, rock, paper, scissors, hangman. Okay, yeah, game. That would be pretty cool. Snake? How would they do that? All right, let's start with something a little more basic, maybe. What would be something actually fun to do, though? Let's do rock, paper, scissors. That's pretty basic. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Okay, in this tutorial, first of all, is this a video? YouTube video. I didn't want to watch a YouTube video. You will work with random dot choice if statements and getting user input. It's a great project. Okay. So I have an idea. I'm not going to watch videos because you're watching a video right now and you don't need to watch me watch videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this idea, the little blurb they've put here, and I'm going to try to figure it out on my own using the wonderful internet. Okay, so if we were to do if we were to do let's see, I'm going to notepad. I'm going to take some notes because I needed to figure out what I'm going to do. So if we're going to play tic-tac-toe, we need to figure out one or two players, and then like computer, AI type thing. We need to figure out user input. We can display text, so there's that. And then we need to figure out like maybe if statements. I don't know how to do that yet. And functions. I don't know if functions are a thing, but we can look into that. Okay. I think let's start with functions. Let's see if that's a thing. Functions. Oh, hey, look, we have functions. That's awesome. Okay, use def, define, I think, to create new functions. So define add x, y, print x is that, and y is that, dot format. Ooh, that is fancy. Maybe I should brush up on my print statements. Return xy. Calling function with parameters, add 5 and 6. Okay. Yeah, because they add those in the return statement here. Another way to call functions is with keyword arguments. Y equals 6, x equals 5. Ooh, keyword arguments can arrive in any order. That's really cool. I like that a lot. That's so nice. I feel like other languages should do that. Okay. So let's do like we need a function to like start the game, I guess. So let's say def start game, because I think that was the syntax for things, is they would like do the underscore. So we say def start game colon. Oh, cool. It like automatically indents. So when we start the game, we want to print welcome to tick no, not tic-tac-toe. What did we just decide we're doing? I can't even remember. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Welcome to rock, paper, scissors. Is that how you spell that? Yep, looks like it. Okay, so welcome to rock, paper, scissors. And then I think it would be easiest if we start with two user, like real players first. Like, yeah, instead of doing a computer. So, I mean, I guess that's all we need to do right now for this start game function. So then let's see if we can, down here, call it and say start game. Is that how that goes? And then we'll run it. And it says, welcome to rock, paper, scissors. Ah, sick. Okay. So we got that. So we learned how to do a function. And then we need, wait, okay, I just realized something. No, this would be easier with just a computer. I was thinking of tic-tac-toe for some reason. If we play rock, paper, scissors, then like the first person has to choose something while the second person looks away. Like, I think that'd be kind of complicated, at least at first. So let's just do one player against the computer. Yeah, because I was just looking at this and it said like you'll work with random.choice, and I'm not sure what that function is, but it said random, and like, yeah, I think it would just make more sense to have the computer choose a random variable. Okay, here's an idea. So what if like when we start the game, we say welcome to rock, paper, scissors, and then we say maybe we have the computer select its answer right here. So maybe we can create a variable here that says like computer answer, or computer choice equals probably numbers would be easiest. So let's say like -1 to just kind of be a null value. And then here we can say pound 0 for rock, 1 for paper, 2 for scissors, and -1 for null. Okay. I like that. That makes sense to me. So then what we want to do is we need to create a function where the computer like chooses. So like we'll call it random choice. Okay, oop, that's not right. Random choice. And this we need the computer to return a value of an integer. And so here we can say like return choice or something, which we don't have yet. Also, we don't need the semicolon. Ooh, I don't know if functions can access those variables. Let's see. Python can function access global variables. No. No, 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 no. Okay. A global variable in Python is often declared at the top of the program. In other words, variables that are declared outside of a function are known as global variables. You can access global variables in Python, both inside and outside the function. Epic. So that means what we want to do is we want to say, let's define, so we don't need this. We can actually return computer choice, and we should probably do it like this because I think that was more of the syntax. Computer choice. So return computer choice. So we can say computer choice equals, and then we need like a random number picker, random number generator between two numbers. Okay, this looks good. So returns a random integer from 0 to 9. That's probably what we're gonna want. Random.randint. And do we need some special library? I know Python has like a lot of libraries, so I don't know what library random's in. Random library. Unless we don't need it. So we want a range of 0 to 2. So maybe we can say random dot randint 0 to 2. It doesn't like that. Random. Okay. How to use random in Python. Oh, looks like we need some sort of library or something. So import random. Okay. There's need to generating a single random number. The random method in random module generates. Wow. 3 ads that are literally all identical. That's fun. Microsoft really wants me to use Azure. Cool. So it looks like we just need to import random, I guess. Let's see. Import random. Hey, look, it worked. So, real quick before we're done here, let's finish up these functions. So we imported random. We got a computer choice of -1. That's our null value. Then we define a function start game, and we say, okay, when you start the game, print this. And then we also want, how do I want to do this? Computer choice to equal random choice. Probably we should put a different variable here so we don't get confused with things. Let's say choice and return choice here. It doesn't like this. Right? Computer choice. Computer choice is not accessed. Why not? That is this, right? 4K. Why don't you like it? Return choice. Return choice. Variable is not accessed. Okay, Python variable is not accessed. Okay, you'll notice that when I go through this, my process is to do a lot of Googling. I mean, I feel like that's just, you just have to do that when you're programming. Like, you just gotta do a lot of Googling, which is all, that's okay. That's all good. Okay. This answer was good. The problem is that the value is shuffled and blah, 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 blah. I don't know what you are saying, and I don't feel like reading through that right now. What am I gonna do? I mean, I guess we can go back to the way we had it. I just felt like the way I had it was kind of bad practice. Because I don't know how we access computer choice in here, but not in here. So when we start the game, I suppose we need to run random choice. And I suppose we also need to change that. Sorry if that was bugging you. Random choice. Oops. So we need to run the function. So when we run it, what it's going to do is it will call random choice here, and it will set, hopefully, this global variable equal to a random integer between 0 and 2. And I guess we don't really need to return it because we're just changing the global variable. It's not accessed. What? Okay, well, we're just going to try it like this. We're going to start the game, and then just to like test everything, I'm going to just print a function down here that says the answer is I don't know how to do like a print variables, print bar print okay, print by default. Oh, that's cool. It prints out an end line. I like that. Anyway, oh, we're gonna need this later, this input. That's cool, good to know. Print. Let's see how to, okay, let's do print variable in Python. Yeah, print a string and a variable. That's what I want. Okay, print. Okay. String concatenation. I mean, that's good. I mean, it seems pretty standard. So if we say your number is, so right now we can associate the numbers with rock, paper, and scissors, but for now I just want to see if it can print like the number. So we're gonna say the number is computer choice. Let's run it. So theoretically what should happen is it should start the game, display this, pick a random number between 0 and 2, and print it. Let's go. Oof. Welcome to rock, paper, scissors. Trace back. Oh, can only concatenate string, not int, to string. Oh, these people were just concatenating strings together. How to print a variable and a string. Well, I don't want to concatenate that. Well, okay, you know what? This is going a little long, so let's figure this out in the next video. If you guys like this, please hit like and subscribe, and check out the channel if you want to see more tutorials, more actual what's the word? Traditional type of tutorials. This is not normal, but hopefully it will be soon. It'll be more prominent on the channel. Anyway, yeah, if you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Adios.